Lexus is not just testing the waters, it is stirring the whole pool. After celebrating the LS legacy with a Heritage Edition, the brand is now asking a daring question. What if the flagship spirit could live in something completely unexpected? Enter a concept that blends limousine calm with lounge on wheels, comfort, an LS vision shaped like a minivan and riding on 6 wheels. The timing makes sense. In 2025, luxury has shifted from hush-quiet sedans to private lounge people movers. Lexus already proved there is appetite with the LM, which elevated the minivan experience. This LS concept pushes further, using the iconic badge to explore what a flagship feels like when space, serenity, and theater become the main course. From the teasers, the proportions are tall, geometric, and unapologetically boxy, the kind of shape that says, step inside and exhale. The passenger side looks like it trades a traditional front door for a vast electric sliding door, turning entry into a reveal. You get the sense that the cabin is the real show, where the floor is flat, the roofline is level, and the seats become the reason you stay longer than you planned. There are no specifications yet, but a fully electric setup feels natural. Electric vehicles are easier to package, which unlocks a lounge-like interior with more legroom, more storage, and more ways to configure your personal space. The lighting is pure theater, with vertical light emitting diode daytime running elements up front and a dramatic tail signature that climbs upward to emphasize the vehicle height. And yes, the 6-wheel stance glows in the footage like a futuristic signature. Part design statement, and part you will not forget this. Is a third axle practical? Maybe not for everyone. Is it memorable? Absolutely. Using the LS name for such an experimental shape will challenge purists, but it also signals that Lexus is willing to explore new forms for its flagship experience. It is an idea car doing its job, starting conversations about where luxury goes next and who it is for: the driver, the family, the executive, or the person who wants a rolling living room that feels like a sanctuary from the city. We will see more when the Japan Mobility Show opens on October 29th. For now, the message is clear. Lexus is not treating flagship as a body style anymore. It is treating it as a feeling. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us for the full reveal and deep dive when it breaks.